Roman here, doing an initial review of a new fun transportation device I've recently acquired, the Ninebot One C. First things first, the specs. The Ninebot One C weighs 12.8 kilograms, which is about 28 pounds. The rated power is 450 watts. Max speed, 14 to 16 kilometers an hour, which equates to about 10 miles per hour. The battery is a 55.5 volt, 110 watt hour. The range is 10 to 15 kilometers, which equates to about 7 to 10 miles. Typical climbing angle, 15 to 20 degrees. Max payload, 120 kilograms, which is about 265 pounds. Working temperature, negative 10 to 45 degrees Celsius. I've been deciding on getting some kind of futuristic transportation device for commuting to work. I was looking for longboards, electric longboards originally, and then I came across these electric unicycles. I gotta be honest with you, first time I've seen one of these, I wasn't a huge fan. A term did come to mind when I saw it, and the guy riding it, I did think, dork. You know, this one was such a good deal. It's on an offer up. I thought I'd go ahead and give it a shot and see what happens. And such a good deal, I figured I could probably resell it for more than I got it for if I didn't like it. But I tell you what, I do like it. This thing is fun. Since trying it, I've realized I was totally wrong about this thing. It definitely feels like the future. You know, you're standing on this thing and it's a cool feeling. It's like you're Silver Surfer or you're Darth Vader. You're just floating through space. It's almost as if you're not going through space anymore, but time and space itself is coming towards you and going around you as you're standing there. Feels pretty neat. Or maybe it's just that I am a dork. That's possible too. I'd like to up the range, so I'm going to get a larger battery, and I also like to up the speed. Found there's a speed hack online that's will give me about 50% more speed. That's it so far. Thanks for coming along. I'll see you on the next one.